Shalom. First and foremost, I'd like to give all praises, honor, and glory to Yahweh, Bahashem, Yahweh Shai, Bahashem, Rakakwadash. Double honors to the apostles and elders of Great Millstone. Much respect to the hopeful elect, and shalom to you few brothers and sisters that watch my videos and gain edification or useful knowledge in this truth. And heed the warning. So I came across this video, and instantly I thought of these two scriptures. This is Ecclesiasticus 12 and 11. Though he humble himself and go crouching, yet take good heed and beware of him. And thou shalt be unto him as if thou hast wiped a looking glass, and thou shalt know his rust has not been altogether wiped away. This is Ecclesiasticus 12 and 10. Never trust thine enemy, for as like iron rusted, so is his wickedness.